Hey guys, Xlix here, and we are going to be doing a Fortnite Seasons tier list, and I wanted to do this for a while now, so I finally got a chance to do it. So yeah, we're going to be doing this, and yeah. And I know I haven't played some of the seasons, like Season 1, Season 2, I know, but I'm just going to rank them the way I think of them, like my opinion on them, or like how cool they were and all that to me. So yeah. So yeah, let's go. Okay, we're gonna start off with season one. Uh, was season? Yeah, I guess season one. But like, I don't really know how to put season one, honestly. Like, it was just a normal game, just starting off. I guess people would say it would be average. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm not saying it's bad at all. I'm just saying people just started playing it and just a normal game. Nobody actually thought it was gonna be that popular. It just, I guess it was just an average game at that point. So yeah. So you got season two. In my opinion, solid. Honestly, it looks so cool. The battle pass looks cool and all that. Yeah, let's go. So season three, that's when I started, March 22nd. Yeah, Okay, season three. Honestly, kind of solid or decent. Kind of solid or decent. They had the meteor thing that was really cool. Honestly, that's when Fortnite was actually starting to become popular. So I'm gonna put that as solid. Okay, now you got season 4 where I started making Fortnite videos, guys. Fortnite videos, you guys remember that. So yeah, season 4, that that was really good. A good season for me. Honestly, that was a good season. I would say that was solid. I'm putting too much people in solid. I'm putting too much seasons in solid, guys. Okay. So, season 5. I'm not putting it solid. I'm putting it best. They had so much stuff happening. That's when actually Fortnite was really good. That is when I was really good at Fortnite back in season 5. So, like, they had, like, so much of Rift to Goes, double barrels, suppressed ARs. They came out with so much stuff that made the game so good. If you hate season 5, what are you doing? Like, season 5 was, like, one of the best seasons. So, yeah. That I'm putting in as best. Season 6. Honestly, that was probably decent. That was probably decent. I don't want, I feel like it should be solid, but like I don't want to put everything as solid, because it was decent. It was decent. Yeah. Yeah, I had to put that there. Season 6 was actually fire. Season 6 was actually fire. So, I just want to put something, I just want to switch something because I didn't want to just be all solid. No, I don't want to do that. Okay. Season 7. That's when I kind of started having problems with my Elgato. Honestly, season 7, I liked it, but not fully a little. I was 1 minute away from, seeing the event. I didn't get to see it because I was literally at my brother's basketball game. I was 1 minute away, but then it just happened when I was on the battle bus, or like when I was on Spawn Island, so I didn't get to see it. It was sad. It was sad, really. So I would go like average. Yeah, I'll go average. So yeah. Okay, season 8. This is where I barely uploaded because of my Elgato. But for my experience, it was actually decent. It was honestly decent. It had the cannons, that was really good. They had the treasure map, they had the Thanos game mode, that was really tough, honestly, not gonna lie, that was really tough. Yeah, they had all that stuff. Season 9, bolted the pumps, I hated that, I don't know why they bolted the pumps. But then they added them back, so I forgave Fortnite about that, so yeah. I would say season 9 was honestly decent. That's where like Fortnite sweats were going about like starting to appear. Okay, we got season X. Okay. People hate season X, honestly. People hate season X because of the brutes. Honestly, I kind of minded the brutes, but didn't at the same time. So, like, I'm not putting this god awful. That is for something I know this season. Just so you know, there is going to be one season that is going to be in god awful. Just so you know. If you really know me, you'll know. So, season X, that for in my opinion, guys, it isn't. I don't mean like it's actually like that. A tier list. I mean it's in my opinion. My opinion only. This is only my opinion. It doesn't have to be yours and all that. It doesn't have to. You can comment down below and tell me what you think I did wrong or something like that. So yeah. I put in season X. I'm putting season X decent. It was actually decent. The battle pass was tough. I know they had the brutes, but the event was awesome. Honestly, really cool. I loved it. I don't know about you guys, but I really liked it. I really didn't like the brutes. I didn't like it. Sometimes I didn't. I don't know. I had mixed feelings. So yeah. Okay. If you really know me about this, you would know my least out of all these seasons is chapter 2. I just hated it. I don't know why. When I first made that video of the new island of chapter 2, I said I liked it. But then after a freaking long season and no updates, I started hating it. Honestly, I started hating it. Honestly, it was really bad. The Star Wars event was pretty good. It was good. But I also recorded that, but then I deleted it on accident. So yeah. Yeah. My bad. Okay. Yes, I hated chapter 2 once it got to the end. Once it got really middle of the season and then at the end, I was like, man, I'm dead. Like, bruh, I wanted the Kermit suicide. I said Kermit. Like, I honestly wanted to do that. The season was awful. There were a few things that were good. I just hate it. At the end, people were so, excited that, oh, we got a new map. But then, after a while, oh, we want the new map back. We want the new map back. I miss the designs of things. They made it too realistic. I didn't like that. So yeah, I'm putting it there. Season 2. Best. The best, honestly. Season 2, that's where I got my, I think 200 wins? Yeah, it's 200. And guys, I'm 1 win away from 300 wins. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. One win until 300 wins. So yeah. The reason why I'm putting this season 2 at best is because they had the mythic weapons. That was awesome. Yeah, that was awesome. Like, it was great. Honestly, great. Seriously, they had so much stuff good. Yeah, I loved season 2. Honestly, I loved it. So yeah. Okay, season 3. I had mixed feelings about this season. Not gonna lie, but it did have some perks, and yeah, it did have some pros and cons about it. Honestly, some of the cons were some of the sharks got annoying at some points. Some things, I don't know, I liked it a little, but I didn't fully hate it. I'm not gonna put it in god awful. I'm just gonna put it in average. I just didn't really like it. I loved it some points. I had mixed emotions, like I said. So yeah, I had mixed emotions. So yeah, I'm looking at this. Whenever I look like this, I'm looking at my camera, face cam. So I don't know. I have to learn to look at my camera. So yeah. Okay, yeah, I just had mixed emotions. I didn't know how to feel about it, so yeah, the season 3 was average to me. So, season 4, honestly, it wasn't the best season. It was really good though. It was good. It wasn't the best season, but it was solid. It was really solid. I don't know, like I said, if you guys really feel strong about season 4 and you guys really like that, yeah, just tell me if I did something wrong. Just tell me where I should put it. It was good. I don't hate it. It's a solid for me because they did do good. They did do good that season. I love the event. The event was really great. They just did well. They had the mythic weapons. They really did good with that. Honestly, they really did. So yeah, I'm putting it solid. Okay. So yeah, the season 6, not season 6, season 5, season 5, season 5. Okay, season 5 had sand tunneling. They did really good with it. I loved the trailer. I really loved it. I'm putting it decent. It was decent. It was a decent season. They did a lot of like um they did a lot of collaborations. I loved some of those. I bought some of those collaboration skins. Yeah, that is going for a decent for me. Okay, the last season. The last season. So season 6. At first, I liked it. It was okay. But now, I don't like it really anymore. I don't hate it. I just don't really like that much. So that is going to be going 9 god awful because season 2 is still the worst season out of, not season 2, chapter 2. So there's going to be, like, there are some good parts of it. Season battle pass is, like, really good. But, like, some of the weapons are good, like, things are good, chickens are good. So yeah, I'm just going to put an average, yeah. I didn't. I don't know how to feel about this. I will be doing another part to this once the next season comes out. So yeah, or I'll just do it when chapter 3 comes out because I don't want to just do one and it will just be quick. Just saying like, oh guys, I'm gonna redo this and all that. And, like yeah, and like I'll just only be adding one more. That would be boring. So, that would be only like a 1 minute video. So yeah. So I'll just wait until chapter 3 starts and then I'll do it again. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and tell me in the comments if I did something wrong. Like tell me what you thought of some of these seasons. Tell me where I should have put them. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.